Hi, today let's continue discussing archetypes or character types that represent universal ideas or themes. Today let's talk about the scapegoat. The scapegoat is a character who is unfairly blamed or punished, often serving as a sacrificial figure to alleviate tension or guilt within the story. So they are actually a product of a corrupt society, a result of a power dynamics or unfair treatment. For example, when we watch a lot of dramas, court dramas or any drama, we see that sometimes a wealthy person or someone from a royal family would do something that is wrong. But because they have the power, they will find someone else, someone weaker than them, someone who works for them, or someone who is their enemy, someone who is weaker than them, to put the blame for the wrong thing that they have done. So the weaker person becomes the scapegoat. Another example would be like Tom Robinson in Harper Lee's To Kill a Mockingbird. So Tom Robinson is a black man who has been unfairly accused of raping a woman. So he is a victim of a legal system that refuses to rectify its mistake and recognize that there's prejudice against black people. So that's scapegoat.